Welcome. In this video I will show you how to get the cursor back on your laptop's screen in case your touchpad stopped working on HP Pavilion 16 laptop. So first of all, we're gonna have to check whether the touchpad is disabled or enabled in settings, and to do that press Windows button to open the Start menu, then press Tab button to go to Pinned Applications list and navigate through them using arrow keys. Then press Enter once you highlighted settings. Then press Tab 2 more times. Once you highlighted Home, use down arrow key to navigate down to Bluetooth and devices. And press Enter. Then press Tab button 5 more times until you have the devices option highlighted. Then scroll down using down arrow key to the touchpad menu and press Enter to open this menu. And here enable your touchpad by pressing Spacebar. If your touchpad still isn't working, then instead what we can do is press Windows button to open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Once you find it, press Enter to open it, then press Tab to highlight your desktop something, then scroll down to Human Interface Devices option on the list and press right arrow key to expand this menu. Here we're gonna have to find I2C HID device, highlight it, then press Enter, then press Tab several more times until you highlight the General tab in here. Then press the right arrow key to switch to driver, then press Tab button several times until you have Disable Device option selected and press Enter. Then press left arrow key to select Yes and click Enter again. Then press Enter to re-enable your touchpad and check if it started working. And if not, then press Tab button one more time to select Uninstall Device. Press Enter, Enter again. And so right now your touchpad will stop working until you restart your computer, which you can do by pressing Alt F4 twice. So we have to press Alt F4 on the desktop. So first close all the windows you have opened using Alt F4 combination of keys. And then once you see this window, press down arrow key to select Restart and then press Enter to restart your computer. Then wait until your device is restarted. And after the restart, your touchpad should start working again. And if it didn't start working, then at this point this must be some sort of a hardware issue, and in such case you're going to have to contact HP customer support service and tell them about this problem, and maybe they will guide you through some more troubleshooting steps, or maybe you're gonna have to get your laptop repaired. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.